Hi, it's Mr. Andrew Whitson, Mr. Ando, Seo Rita agus an tEachtrán, Scríofa ag Marazep agus Mashatha Agamsa. Well, my favourite place to read. Guess what? I spend a lot of time waiting for people to do various things like go to the dentist or come back from school or go shopping. So I spend a lot of time in the car, and during those times I love to listen to audiobooks on my car radio. Also, if I'm in the house and I get a cup of coffee and I go into the living room, I love to snuggle up on my favourite armchair and sit and read a book there, where there are lots of books on shelves, and sometimes if you're stuck for something to read, you can look at the shelves and pick something you haven't seen in quite some time, or maybe a new title. One other place I do like to read is in the bookshops themselves. When I go into the city centre, I go in for a cup of coffee, I buy a book, and I'll sit there and I'll pore over the book when I first buy it. Now that's the first read, but then when you get home, you get into your armchair and then you can revisit the book again and read it twice. So those are some of my favourite places to go to read.